Multiple applications of cashews. We all love to eat kaju katli on festivals and special occasions, and just the mention of cashew nuts brings that memory to mind. However, many people are unaware that cashews may be used in a variety of dishes to improve the creaminess, taste, flavor, and of course texture. Here are a few ideas that might surprise you for how to include cashews into various cuisines. Boost the richness of the curry. Cashew adds a distinct, rich, and creamy flavor to the food, whether it be a Punjabi meal, renowned for its deep flavor, or a specific paneer curry. They are frequently used in the vegetables and gravies of Punjab. They are made into a paste for this purpose and then added to the dishes to create a creamy and sweet flavor. Enhancing rice flavor. Cashews are used to lend a distinctive flavor and crunch to a range of rice recipes, whether it is bizi bele bhat from South India or Hyderabadi biryani. Utilize cashews in marinades. In Afghani paneer, cashews are mixed with spices to create a marinade and cooked over the kebabs. Cashews are also used in tikkas and kebabs. In desserts, cashews are used for garnishing in addition to flavoring snacks and sweets. Without cashews, several foods, including kheer, rabri, basundi, and others, would be lacking. Making soups and stews with cashews. Many soups and stews replace wheat with cashews. Stews and soups are thickened with flour. Cashew powder is something you can produce and use in this circumstance. Cashews are used to make chivda and namkeen. Cashew nuts are roasted and combined with salt, chili, and black pepper in numerous namkeens and chivdas. Namkeen and chivda taste fantastic when cashews are combined.